western areas. That's the area that's likely to be closest to those low pressures and those weather fronts that'll be moving in from the Atlantic from time to time during the next 2 or 3 days. Southeastern parts, furthest from the low pressure, are most likely to see the fine weather with some sunshine and the best temperatures. Now, we've had some cloud moving in from the west all the way through the day. In fact, we've had 3 bands of cloud that's going to be of interest in the next 24 hours or so. First of all, the front bringing some rain. Then there's another band of cloud there, which is some showers, and then another weather system getting its act together out on the Atlantic that'll bring rain later in tomorrow. But at the moment, the rain's across Ireland, coming into Wales and many western parts of the country. And although it's going to be a bright, dry evening in central and eastern areas, that rain's going to be moving on during the course of the rest of the evening and overnight. 1 or 2 fairly heavy bursts of rain. Clearer, showery weather following along behind, the odd crack of thunder perhaps in parts of Northern Ireland, as there has been recently. The extreme southeast and extreme northeast probably missing the rain even at the end of the night. 9 or 10 degrees the lowest temperature. Tomorrow, most parts of the country are going to start off fairly cloudy, the rain getting into the southeastern part, maybe only light and patchy rain there. Already this brighter, showery weather into the west, and we will have a patch of brighter and drier weather working its way right across the country for a time tomorrow. 1 or 2 showers mixed in with that brighter patch and not getting to the northeast of Scotland either. But it's not going to last long, because during the second part of the day we'll find some more wet and windy weather rushing into many western parts. That, very late in the day, followed in turn by a return of those blustery showers. So the best of the weather, the driest weather, probably in the southeastern corner of the country after they've had the early rain. Quite a breezy day tomorrow, the wind almost up to about gale force in some of these western areas, and so that breeze will, if anything, take the top off the temperature. But if it brightens up significantly in southeastern areas, reasonably warm there, up to 18 degrees, closer to normal though in those more western areas. The rather unsettled weather will continue, as I said at the beginning, over the weekend. We've got some rain around in northern and eastern areas first thing on Sunday. That'll be moving out of the way, it'll be brightening up, and then a showery day really. Most of the showers, the heaviest ones, the most frequent ones, in the western and the north. Southeastern areas probably getting away with just a few light ones, and the same is true probably for Monday. That's all. Have a nice weekend.